Shout out to BL Beats, real brothers such as Dishobi, African Americans, blacks out there, Europe, the UK. I see you, boy. Okay. I had to scramble. They thought I would just ramble, thinking I was incontinent. I had to inculcate, so they got it straight. The transference of energy. You know how it goes with your enemies. The struggle for control. Cherish your mind, body, and soul. Dispose of those with a foul disposition that hinder us as a goal. I'm in it for the long run. Longevity. What I gotta say goes deep, and on my shoulders it's so heavy. It's a burden. I let my burner burn them. I was in and out quick. The police came afterwards. They slipped on puddles of blood. They said this was an assassin of the old-time religions, not a thug. He might slip on his words, but he didn't slip. He was a great warrior, and they were just a bitch. Well, how did you know that, detective? The way he was selective, precise. This Negro was nice. I'd go as far as to say he was right. The subordinate asked him, well, how can he still do your job when you admire him for taking out the snobs, the white-collar scum that rob? He answered simply, he was efficient. This guy was doing it principally to take out the worst criminals quickly. When our injustice system does not suffice, this soul brother was right.